Next, we're going to talk about dummy ammunition. Dummy ammunition is a great tool for an instructor, great tool for a student or any gun owner to have because it allows you to understand your firearm, how it works, and how the ammunition interacts with the firearm long before you go to the range and before you have to use live ammunition to shoot. So here we've got the magazine. Here we've got the semi-automatic pistol. The functions we're going to use are the slide release button, which is here and just needs to be pushed down to load, move the slide forward and load the ammunition into the chamber. Here's the trigger. The hammer is just under here. This is the safety lever. So what I want to do now is I want to show you some dummy ammunition. There's several different styles. This is an empty .45 case filled with plastic. That's just a hunk of orange plastic. No live primer, no live powder. This little piece of plastic is all plastic. It's in the shape of a .45 cartridge. We've also got for the .38 Special, again, a big chunk of orange plastic to let you know that it's dummy ammo. And here we've even got a little piece of sponge rubber to help protect the firing pin on a piece of aluminum that's shaped as a .38 Special cartridge. So first I want to demonstrate what I used the .45 ammo for, dummy ammo for, in the classroom. And that's to teach the students how to load and then unload safely a semi-automatic. The first thing I do is have them load 2 rounds into the magazine. And keeping the gun pointed in a safe direction, my finger off the trigger until I'm ready to shoot. I tell them to go ahead and load the firearm just like they would at the range. Release the slide. So now what's happened is there's one piece of dummy ammunition in the magazine. There's one piece of dummy ammunition in the chamber. Now to unload it, we want to push the magazine release right here. Always clear the magazine first in a semi-automatic. Remove your supply of ammunition. Then the next thing you need to do is make sure the chamber is clear. And that's the thing that leads to gun accidents. Thinking the gun is now safe. So I'm going to push the slide lock up and pull the slide to the rear at the same time and eject that round. Okay, so now I've got slide locked, the rounds out of the chamber, and the chamber is empty. So the parts that we're going to use for this are the cylinder release, the hammer, the trigger, and the extractor. Okay, load the 2 rounds into the revolver, spin them around so I get the right empty, up onto the hammer. Now in its most hazardous condition, block the hammer, control the hammer, pull the trigger, finger off the trigger, ride the hammer forward, push the cylinder release, push the cylinder out, remove the ammunition. The gun's now unloaded.